Hi everyone. The following presentation will provide an update for both potential investors and current total shareholders. Starting with a small introduction which is immediately followed with a financial analysis of the company. Furthermore, I will provide insights on their dividend policy and their stock price. To proceed, I will compare Total with its main competitors, and last but not least, I will take a look at the current global economy to provide proper feedback in my conclusion. Total is active in the oil and gas industry. It is a Euronext listed enterprise with its headquarters in Paris. These are their top 5 competitors, which I will discuss later. To obtain a better view on whether to invest or not, let's take a look at the financial analysis. Taking a look at the most important liquidity and solvency ratios, we can state that they are rather stable. This is a good thing, except for the fact that the debt-equity ratio still requires some improvement. Although the ratio does already increase in the last 2 years, this indicates that the investments have been executed. When I take a look at the profitability ratio, we notice one major trend. Starting in 2007, which is only 1 year before the financial crisis, until now, the return on general investments shrank by 50% and more. Obviously, the tax rate, as you can see, does not struggle with this declining trend. Now, considering the last negative trend, it is very remarkable that Total still increases their dividend per share on a yearly basis. Even right after the economic crisis, they did so. This indicates that the shareholders are well treated. If I take a look at Total's stock price throughout the years, and we are aware of the fact that the stocks have been overvalued before the financial crisis, my advice on the current stock rate is to buy and hold shares. Since the shares have been €8 higher a year ago, and we are still in a bull market for the next months due to the European Central Bank quantitative easing program. I have also compared Total with its top 5 competitors, as I've mentioned before, and this table indicates that Total isn't in the top 3. Although Total's dividend yield is very high, the market value per share combined with the earnings per share is on the downside. Well, last but not least, I've also researched some major global economic factors. Since the ECB is fueling Europe's economy with €60 billion each month, the economy will expand, and this will obviously benefit Total. Same goes for the low oil prices. Total did experience troubles in the past year because of the lowering oil prices, but once the oil price will start rising again, they can benefit from their current oil reserves. One last negative note is the fact that oil is being traded in dollars. This gives them a loss in income. Now for my conclusion, I conclude that because of the very strong, positive points, my investment advice is to buy and hold. Thank you for your attention.